I've had the Apple Watch Ultra now for about 6 months. One of the things that I really struggled with is the lack of options from Apple when it comes to Apple Watch bands. Sure, the Apple Watch bands are good quality materials, but they're all geared towards a certain sport or an outdoor activity. Plus, I was actually able to find very similar products for a fraction of the price. I do like how comfortable the Apple Watch bands are to wear, sometimes I even sleep with it, but for certain occasions I do need to wear smart clothing and these don't really go well together. As I don't have any other watch, having a band that suits my clothing is really important. So I'm really glad I came across this Apple Watch band from Sandmarc. It's just been released and it's superb. The one I'm showing you is the titanium version, but they also have a black edition. Because of the materials they use, it's extremely durable yet very lightweight. The watch body part is made with titanium grade 2 and matches exactly the Apple Watch Ultra itself. The rest of the band is made with stainless steel and I love the classic latch and the satisfying click that we get. It comes with this handy tool as well so you can make it the right size for your wrist. And the best news for you, you get 10% discount when you use the link in the description. My long-term review of the Apple Watch Ultra is in the works as well, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it when it comes out. See you soon.